A drone light show in Sydney goes terribly wrong, and it doesn't look very good at all. Now, there are lots of questions as to what happened. There has been no official release as to what actually happened, but I'm going to give you my view as to what happened here. Now, this is not going to be telling you exactly what happened. I'm going to tell you from my experience doing drone light shows as to what I think went wrong. And we're going to have a look at that right now. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. Sorry it's been a while since our last video. It's springtime and coming into summer and we are super busy with drone operations, so I've not really had that much time. But I've sat on this incident which happened in Sydney, and I thought it would be a good idea to talk about it, just to educate you as well a little bit, because some people think that something went wrong and some people think it was something else. I can clearly see from my experience as to what happened here. I think it's good to talk about it because it's good to inform you so that you can get to see yourself how these things transpire. Now, first of all, let me just say that Sky Magic are one of the top companies in the world. They are from the UK. They've done incredible shows over the years. There are, a few companies out there that are which I would say are the top, and Sky Magic are one of those companies. They are fantastic, and I hate to see something go wrong because I know exactly how this feels, because this has happened to us as well. We've had these kind of things happen to us, and it's not pretty. It's not nice. It's gut-wrenching. You think it's your fault, but as we're going to have a look at this, you're going to see that there was nothing that they could do. But I think that they actually saved the show quite well. Then they actually had a couple of procedures. But we're going to talk about this. So this is at Vivid Sydney. And Vivid Sydney is a festival that happens in winter time. I know we're in summertime right now here, but they're having their winter. So they have this multicultural event, and it's multimedia and everything, food and lights and whatnot. And this year they were having a return of the drone show. Let's have a look at what happened in this video, and I'm going to talk through it. So we'll start it now, and we can see here that the drones are actually launching. Now, when the drones are launching, I'm just going to say that I think that everything looks fine here. Everything looks normal here. The drones are coming up. Their information, there's a lot of drones blacked out because they seem to be sparkling a little bit. So the drones that are not lit up and drones that are lit up, and you can even see, if you look closely at the video, you can see that the ones that are not lit up are in position. So everything looks good. So the positioning itself, and I'm sure when the team done the pre-flight checklist, that they would have seen that everything would have been okay, and they would have been checking for the GNSS signal, and everything would have looked at everything would have been green there because everything looks good here. So at this point now we can see we're now almost 1 minute into the show. They haven't gone into the first asset. The lights go out, so they're about to go into the first asset, and they're going to start moving any second as they are now. So they're going to move into their first position for the asset, and we call the asset, it's the first piece of animation, so we call that an asset. So it's going into its first asset, and as we can see here, that as it goes in, everything looks fine, looks good. They're just getting into position, everything looks straight. It looks like a kind of a DNA thing that they have there, but it looks fine. It all looks good, and it's doing whatever it's supposed to do, which is it is supposed to turn. So everything looks fine here. And hats off to the camera guy, because he really keeps the camera on the drones, and you can see everything is just fine. So this is a good video. I'll leave a link to the video in the description if you want to watch this yourself. But as we're going to see any second now, that the drones will then start to unfortunately fall out the sky. So we can see at this point now, so you can see drones coming down. So, and you can see the formation and the positioning of all the drones starting to come out of position. So they're leaving. What I can see here is that there is definitely GNSS interference here, and Now, they still have radio signal because they are sending radio signal to the drone, which is showing why they're flashing. So this is not radio frequency because they are sending that signal. If there was radio frequency, they wouldn't be able to send that signal. With the drones coming out and moving out of formation, that means that the drones do not have positioning, which means this is GNSS. Now there are lots of buildings around there, but knowing a drone light show company like SkyMagic, they'll be using F9Ps like this one here, so the positioning will be good in this area. My own opinion here on this is that someone somewhere has switched on some kind of interference device, and that's why the drones are now out of position. But even with, you can see drones moving here, you can see them moving away, but they're now starting to come in. This one's moving out, but it's going to stay in the buffer zone. But they are now starting to move a little bit, so they're starting to, you can see these drones here. Now, I want to say something here about when you're jammed. Okay, if you get jammed, it doesn't affect every drone. It can affect a small amount of drones. Now, that's why you've seen some of the drones falling and not all the drones falling, because with the way that the beam goes when you're being jammed, it will only affect a certain amount, not all drones. This has happened to us. We've been jammed many times, and we will lose X amount of drones, but not all drones. So you'll have drones coming back. That means that those drones were not affected, but it affects the whole system, but not all the drones are being affected. Now, the best way for them to actually see what's happening here is to go and get the log files. So get the log files, you'll then see if there's any spikes coming in, because that is what we would do as well. But you can still see that there are some drones coming back. They haven't been affected, and they are now returning. But now they're going back up again because they've now got their positioning. So they're starting to go into their position again. That means that that whatever interference is starting to go away, and the drones are now finding their position. Okay, so you can see them shoot up there. Now I know for a fact that the team doing this right now, they will be, they'll be calm. They'll just try to, get the fleet to come back, try to save as much, and trying to find the positioning. You can see here that the drones are starting to go back up, and they're starting to find a position again. So they're going into their original position because the show was paused, which I've never seen that before. I've never seen a show paused before. So there's something unique, I think, about the SkyMagic system, is that they can pause the show. We can't do that, or I've never been able to see that. But you can see them, the drones are now going back into their position, okay? That's just absolutely fantastic. It's amazing to see. And I think that they're probably now going to initiate a land all, so everything will then, return to home. This is a very unique event. It doesn't happen very often. The only thing I can say to the team here who have experienced this is that this is an experience that you don't want to have it. When you have it, you learn so much. You really gain so much information from this and experience, and that's why we do this, because but at the same time, you don't want this to happen at all. You don't. But when it does, you'll never forget it. And now you can see all the positioning now is absolutely fine. Obviously, there's holes there. Those holes are from the drones that have either returned or they've went into the water as well, because we know that there was 100 or so, or maybe less than that. But so there's holes in the show here, but it looks straight, which means that they have the positioning back. So whatever was interfering has been switched off, and the drones have then got the positioning, and now they're coming back, and it looks pretty straight, apart from the holes there, but everything looks good. That is really unfortunate. This is a very unfortunate thing that happened to this team, and my heart goes out to them, because it's a horrible thing to happen, and you feel devastated, but you just need to get with it, and you need to investigate, and you need to work in order to make sure that you know, this doesn't happen again. This could have been a lot worse. It could have been way worse. And unfortunately, it looks like that they had to cancel the entire run of shows. I don't know why that is. I've seen some news reports about people talking about how bad this was and drones falling everywhere and blah, blah, blah. It was within the area, so everything was safe. Nobody was hurt, and the reason why we have those spaces is to make sure that people don't get hurt. And that very rarely, you know, obviously it happened a few years ago in Orlando, which was a one-off event. But anyway, I hope this was helpful and may, you know, give you some insight as to what happens and to spot for these things. I hope there's a full investigation, and I'm sure we will find out, but we'll give the guys time. And I hope the guys pull themselves up from this and then move on, because this was a tough one. It really was tough, and it was heartbreaking to watch, to be honest with you. I really felt for those guys there that were doing that, and I hope that they get back on their feet again and do some amazing shows, because that's what they do. Sky Magic had a great company, and I hope that they continue with that. Anyway, please like and subscribe to the channel. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.